Okay, now Canva is open, so you can explore or you just go down to explore. So but quickly I want to show you something. Just click on Instagram post, select any template of choice. This is for beginners. All right, I'm going to show you how to do something with a template and also how to do something starting from scratch. So this is to show you that there are a lot of templates you can choose from. All right, a lot of templates you can choose from, but let me choose this simple template. It's very simple. I'm thinking of this, okay. So click there. You allow it to load. Okay, so I can choose to remove this picture. There is a delete option at the top of your screen. Click delete. You can add your personal picture or add any picture. I think I have my picture here. I've just clicked. This is what I did. Okay, I clicked on the plus sign at the down end of your screen. This is it, and then I clicked on image. Yeah, and then I clicked on picture. This my picture does not have the same size with this, so I can choose to crop out the unnecessary parts. So this is it. I may decide to edit my picture a bit by clicking on the filter. Okay, there are a range of filters here. You can choose any one of your choice. You see that? Okay, I can go with this. This is cool. Now you may decide to change the color of that rectangle behind my picture. So it's either you select from the colors here or you click on the plus sign. The plus sign here always means add. So the plus sign under color here means add color. Okay, so you select from the range of colors. So what color should I use? Any color of your choice. I kind of like this. I don't know about you, but you can always choose what you want. So this is what I want to do. I want to increase this. Okay, design is all about how you feel. Okay, you can choose to do something different from what you already have. I don't know if that makes sense. So This is what I have. So this is what I have. Okay. This is how I want it. So you can always go for what you want. If you don't want this way, you can always increase or increase or increase. But for me, that is not probably how I feel right now. So I want to make it this way. Hmm? I hope you are following. So this kind of looks like a frame, right? Don't mind me. Okay, so quickly let me attach a post. I want to delete this. I want to delete this. I'm almost working from scratch, but if you don't want to, this is what you're going to do. Make use of this. Add a text. Be happy. You owe yourself that. I'll click OK. I can change the font. You see that? Change the font to what you like. Okay. While I change the fonts, I also change the color. I want to change the color to black, and I also want to increase this. Okay, I want to increase this, and okay. So be happy, you owe yourself that. So that is the quote of the day. The quote of the day. Yeah. This is what I want. Now I can decide to change this quote sign. I can decide to change it to maybe this color. It's by choice. Then here I can write the name of the person that made this statement, and the person is me. So this is highlighted as capitalized, or rather this is capitalized. So this is how to remove it. You can see where the double A there, the double A is highlighted. So unhighlight it, and you can now type your text. So Chinenye Omogigwe. I don't usually like working with this, and I'll show you another way to achieve that. Okay, I want to make this 23. Yeah, I think I got what I want. Let me look for a font. Okay, so and I also decide to change this, or I can change it to any color that I want. So this is our simple social media post. Now as you can see, the background color of this is white. So assuming you want to change it to another color, this is what you're going to do. Quickly, let me show you. You go to add. Remember, plus means add. When I click on add, the next thing you're going to see is a time sign, that's X sign, which means cancel. I need you to understand that. May add, I'll go to illustration, go to shapes, select the square. Okay, select square, zoom, or rather increase it, and I'll, okay, let me undo. I want to show you what I just did now. I clicked on the circle at the top of your screen. Inside that circle there are 3 dots. You click there. That thing means more options. Click there. Click on the arrow pointing down. It will bring the recent shape to the bottom, so you can now change the color. So you can see that there's option for transparency in case you want to decrease it, and there's another option. You can see a pen tool or a pencil tool, and that thing means that you can now change your color. So any color you want. Okay, if you want black, you change it to black. If you want white, you change it to white, and so on and so forth. So but I just did this to show you something. Okay, you can, I think this is perfect with the white that is there. So if you like, you can add something, maybe some circles, some shapes rather, to the background if you like. So click on illustration. Let me choose some thing to add, dots. Oh, okay, I can go with this. I can go with this. See, when you go down, you can actually find, in fact, you can find a lot of things. Okay, you can decide to change the color, maybe change this to this, change this to this, and change this to and then look at the transparency again. I can't leave it that way. I have to decrease. I don't know, it's your choice, anyhow you want it, but for me, I think this is how I want it. So after that, when you are satisfied, if you like, you can duplicate this thing we just did here, and this is how to duplicate. At the top of your screen, you will see two rectangles on top of each other. Decide to duplicate it, click there, and we have it. You can also rotate anyhow you want it to, anyhow you want it. If you feel that is too big, you can. And this is it. We have our social media post or quotes. Very simple and easy. Now I want to also show you how to do this from scratch. Okay, how to do this from scratch. So how can we achieve this from scratch? It's simple, very simple. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to create another page, add another page, okay, add another page here. The first thing we are going to see is square, right? Square, we put it here. Okay, next thing we are going to do is our picture. You remember the way I did it? So you place that just the way I did before. Next thing you are going to do, I'm rushing now. Next thing you're going to do is add text. Click here. Okay, add some text of your own. Click there. Okay, be happy, and so on and so forth. I'm just rushing. Put it there. Next thing we are going to do is your name. Chinenye. Okay, just arrange it, put it where it's supposed to be. Next thing we are going to do is to add that quote. Now look at how to find that quote. All right, in case you are starting from scratch, just click on add, go to illustration, search quote, and you will see quote signs. I think this is the kind of thing we had, right? And then you place it here. So that is it. That is how to achieve that. Now let's go to the previous page. This is ready. All right, next thing we are going to do is to click on save. Is either you make use of the arrow pointing pointing towards a line, or you make use of the arrow inside a box pointing upwards. They are all save options. So click here. Another thing I love about Canva is the quotes when you are done with your